In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print timeline on Asana. Whether you need a crisp PDF for a meeting or a paper copy to pin on the wall, I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips to make sure everything fits and stays readable. First, open your project in Asana and switch to the timeline view. You'll usually find timeline as a tab at the top of your project. Make sure you're in the right project and that the tasks you want to show are visible. If you use filters or date ranges, set them now so the view reflects exactly what you want to share. Think of this as what you see is what you print, so the cleaner and clearer your timeline is on screen, the better your printout will look. Next, scroll and zoom the timeline so the exact range you want appears on your screen. You can zoom in or out to show days, weeks, or months, depending on how detailed you need the view to be. Aim for a balance. Enough detail to show key milestones and dependencies, but not so much that labels get cramped. If your timeline is very dense, zooming out slightly or collapsing less relevant sections can help everything fit more neatly. When your view looks right, open the print dialog. On Windows, press Ctrl and P. On a Mac, press Command and P. You can also use your browser or app's file menu to print if you prefer. This brings up the preview so you can fine-tune how the timeline will appear on the page. Choose your destination next. If you want a digital copy to share, select Save as PDF. If you're printing directly, pick your printer. For PDFs, this is a great way to keep a record or send a clean snapshot to your team. Before you finalize, adjust the page settings. Set the orientation to landscape. This usually gives timelines more horizontal room. Then tweak the scaling so more of the timeline fits on each page without becoming unreadable. Options like fit to page width or a custom scale percentage can help. Keep an eye on the preview as you adjust. Small changes can make a big difference. If your print dialog offers margin controls or options to hide headers and footers, consider tightening margins and turning off extra page decorations to maximize space for the timeline itself. Once everything looks good, click Print or Save. That's it. With these simple steps and a few smart adjustments, you'll have a timeline that's clear, professional, and ready to share.